So this is how you go live on through the mobile phone. Say hello.
Hello.
Wala yung mga ligaw. No, I was actually live on Facebook and we just kind of try how it's going to be like if we do it from through the YouTube na app. Yan. OMG. Oh, it's so nice to like really unlock this what do you call this? These features on YouTube. Oh, meron din pala siyang ano, yun, no? Oh,
What do you
so
say?
I didn't know. Hello, Chili Stoke. First time.
Let me try that one.
Yeah, it's my first time doing this from here. So, I didn't know. It's actually nice here. It's actually nice here. Hello, Dailin. Hi, Dailin. Kamusta? Ayan, meron din pala dito. Kaya pala, no? Kaya pala. Wala akong kayo masabi, oy. Itinry ko lang kasi, first time ko na try na nag-work yung go live through the mobile phone. So, dahil dyan, tinry namin how we're gonna look like. So, I didn't know, meron din pala siyang, hello, kadako na sa imong anak. Yes, dako na akong anak, pen. Tita Ruby Lovito says you're big now. Khalifa's watching you. Dali, Khalifa's watching you.
Hi,
Oh my gosh.
Khalifa.
Let me change the color. Yan, nindot lagi siya pag direct. Tanawa na siya yung mga effects. So, if tanggalan na tong effects, ayan lang yung aming mukha. Ganyan. No effects. Look, pen is ka na kuan kigwahon. Taro nga, naupin. Hayo, da kay maano ta, ma-demonetize din ta. Pagka-monetize ato. Sam ni butay. So, I was unboxing, like, orders for South Korean business partners. So, that's why, nag-live ako sa Facebook. Tapos, napagod akong kaka-live sa Facebook. Naisip ko, oh my gosh, mag-try kaya ako sa app ng YouTube. Okay pala din to, no? Meron din pala siyang mga filter. Ayan, oh. Ito yung aking mga shinare doon sa Facebook. So, I got Prevail Energy. So, yan. And this is the coffee, ayan, oh. Oh, pamain naman dyan, pamain. Pamain. No, meron na yung mga order, meron na yung mga may-ari. Yan. I'm trying to click the dollar button, pero grayed out pang super. Naaman! Gusto ko. Naman ako itong giset, pero siguro mali na akong pag-set, no? Wala guro na ako matarong og set. Ay. Bala, dyan ko kaayo. Wala na ako siguro to maset. Yeah. So, sige lang, next time na lang. Kay di man ko kamao. Pasig dili, pwede din, he. Pasig, I'm not sure. Kasi naaman to siya yung setting, before ko mo click sa go live now. Yeah, naman siya setting, before ka mo go live now, na siya kanang monetization on or off, na siya, ba? So, siguro wala na ko itong mag-click og tarong. Ayan. Mega love shout out! Hindi ko po nakikita kung sino po yung mga pumasok. But I know Jocelyn Cardos is here. Khalifa, Chili Stoke, Oni, hello, mega love shout out. Ayan. At kung sino pa man dyan, mag-hello naman kayo dyan and everything. Alam ko, wala po masyadong, mga aktibidades dito. But soon enough, magkaka-aktibidades po tayo. Tinatry ko lang po yung yan meron din siya. Ang ganda rin ng ipin is nice, right? Huh? It's very dramatic. Oh, I'm just trying the mobile phone, effects. One-liner song, John. Sure. Okay, what song?
I dare you to sing Creep.
Huh? Me? You
Yeah.
dare me to sing Creep? So I'll sing One of Us. Okay? So, wanna give thanks to the bell from above. This silver's gonna remain right. Thanks to your family, grandpa, the Lord's gonna come in his heaven's airplane. If God has a name, what would it be, and would you call it to his face? If you would face with him and all his glory, what would you ask if you had just one question? Buang-buang na yung bata. And yeah, God is good. Hello, Plutarch Mulunlabe. Hi. We're just trying to use the the Go Live feature on mobile phones. So I thought it's still not going to work for me because the community tab just recently showed for me. So now I'm exploring this new features that I have. Yeah. Pinayak ka na yun. Syempre, drama. Anak mo na siya. You know, like, so when you're singing and all, and then you like, oh, so you have, like, you know, the emoticon and all. Like,
Mommy,
like,
I will play
and
the
yeah.
piano.
Huh? Okay, go play the piano while I sing, okay? So I need you to play the Rihanna song, the...
I don't know how to play
Um,
that. I only know how to play this song.
Or can you play for me the Rise Up? So she's going to play the piano, she said. There she is. You sit down properly. Uy, kay maano ta? Maano ta nimo? Bata.
I only know how to play this one.
I was like talking about my coffee business on YouTube earlier. Yeah. So, I don't know. How am I going to... Okay, she's playing. Angel! Angel! Ben, can you call your sister? Ina, if she can play for me that song, the what do you call that? What was that Rihanna song? What's that Rihanna song?
Mommy wants you to play a song on the piano for her.
Yeah, I don't know how to get rid of this thing. Okay, there it is. And enjoy. Hello, Jaren Abalan. Daghang salamat. Thumbs up with love. Hello. Let me put that in. I am so sorry. I am working on this mobile app thing. Angel. Napod bubble ani? Oh, kita ko sa bubble pero unya na lang kanang siponon ko. Pag may sipon ako, ilagay ko yung bubble effect. Pero parang hindi ko nakita yung bubble effect.
Mommy, do you want to hear this
Saan?
only
Hindi ko
song?
nakita. Yan lang oh. Wow.
Mommy, do you want to hear the only song I can play?
Yes, I want to hear it. Okay. Char. Where have you been or never ending? Kanta na daw? Sandali ha. Kasi wala mga ako sa studio ko. I'm not in my studio. So I'm just in my living room. So I'll be singing bare. So no microphone. But Gabe, where's the remote sa TV, Gabe? Can you asa na si sister nimo?
I already played it.
I think sleeping.
Oh, she's sleeping. Can I have the remote to the TV? So I can... Oh, it's over here. Yeah, so I was talking about my Valentus coffee on Facebook. And let me see. Kanta na. Okay, kanta lagi ta. Excited, Jogo. You know, it's like more of... It's more... to me, it's like more features for me to unlock. After I got, Valentos Papaniwang. Yes. Did you know that I was 190 pounds before? And then because of Valentos, Raw is the best. Yes. Walang ready. Yes, absolutely. Walang ready. But
I'll sing.
I do need Angel to be here though, so she can play for me that. Oh, she's napping. Okay. No, if she's sleeping, don't wake her up
No, I
because.
know. I'm gonna go check.
Yeah.
I'm checking this.
Ayan na sila. Oh. Basta kakanta ako and I'm outside my studio. I cannot take turns with the microphone kasi ito sila. Gusto nilang sila yung kakanta.
Can I sing too, Mama?
Is she sleeping, Gabe? Jel, play here good katong Rihanna, Jel.
Rihanna.
Oh, katong Rihanna nga song ba?
What's in Rihanna song?
Kato bitaw sa?
My door's unlocked. I need to get my iPad to play the song.
Yeah. Yeah, so Angel's going to play the piano for me. And 3. Hala. Was that my truck?
I don't think so. How is my check?
Okay, Rihanna.
Rihanna Jonas.
Okay, you gonna sing?
I'm gonna sing.
Love on the Brain?
What's that?
It's a Love on the Brain.
What's that? I don't have love in my brain.
Okay.
Mama.
It's
DJ Kelly.
DJ Kelly. There it is. Oh.
Yeah?
Pen, watch how you sit and you, Pen, especially when
No,
I'm
what's the
live.
new song now?
Stay.
Stay?
Stay. This one. So let me do you a song called Stay. Kana ba? Can you get my iPad up?
You don't know the words.
Yeah, I don't know the words. Hold on, again. My daughter, Angel's laughing at me because I don't know the words. Bongbong mga kajal. So good na?
No, not do it.
All along it was a fever, a cold sweat had a believer. I threw my hands in the threw my hands in the air, said, show me something. He said, if you dare come a little closer. Round and round and round and round we go. Oh, now tell me now, you know. Not really sure how to feel about it.
Something in the way you move
Okay, she wanna sing.
makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me away.
I want you to stay. It's not much of a life you're living. It's not just something you take, it's given. Round and around and around and around you go. Oh, now tell me now, you know. Not really sure
how to feel about it.
Sit down ba?
Something in the way you move makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me all the way.
I want you to stay. The reason I hold on.
Wait, what?
Ooh, 'cause I need this hold on. Funny, you're the broken one, but I'm the only one who needed saving. 'Cause when you never see the light, it's hard to know which one of us is caving. Not really sure how to feel about it.
Something
In the way you move makes me feel like I can live without you. It takes me all the way. I want you to stay. Magaling to siya. Mas magaling to sa lalo pag alam niya yung kanta. Yeah. I would like to give a mega love shout out to Angelo Omboy. Dai, I sent you a message over that the prize that you won last time you were watching on yung live show namin sa na sponsored ni Kwan ni Christine Cal. Ayan. Yung live show namin na sponsored ni Christine Cal.
Can I pick the next one?
Yeah, yeah, so okay, right there. What do you
Yeah,
what
right
do you
there.
Okay. So she wanna sing Creep for you guys. She's a little hyper, so yeah, see? She's
What? This is not it? Oh,
Okay.
yes, I think it is.
so I don't think that's the one that you
It is
wanted,
the
right?
one. It is the one.
No, that wasn't it. Sige na lang. Bahala ka eh.
Before, couldn't look you in the eye. You're just like an angel. The skin makes me cry. You flow like a feather in a beautiful world. I wish I was special, so very special. But I'm a creep, I'm a widow. What am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't care if it hurts. I wanna have control. I want a perfect body. I want a perfect soul. And I want you to notice I'm not around. You're so very special. I wish I was special. But I'm a creep. I'm a widow. Till I'm here, I don't belong here. She's running out. Yeah. She's running out to run, 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 run. Run. Whatever makes you happy, whatever you want, so very special. I wish I was
Posing
special.
just mommy, eh, para just mommy. It's starring just mommy.
But I'm a creep. I'm a widow.
My widow.
I'm a doing here. I don't belong here.
I don't belong here. We don't belong here?
I do. I belong
Hi.
right here.
Hello, Kate. Good evening. Yes.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
In the Philippines, it's good morning.
In the Philippines, it's good morning.
All right, let's do one more. What was it? Gonna call up. Do you know that Macy Gray song?
No,
Uh,
I need to hear it first.
Oh, you need to hear it first. You cannot make your own lyrics. You always do that. So she makes her own.
But that's in the shower.
Yeah, she makes her own tune.
Mama, can I say something?
Saman tune. Yan.
Can I put
Chun.
hello? Can I put hello?
What hello? Yeah, you just tell them hello. You don't need to type.
Aside.
No.
Hello.
Here's a song called I Try. Yeah, the premiere earlier, it was like really cut short. Let's do this one.
Games, changes, and fears.
Change, changes, and fears. When will all they go from here? When will they stop? And I believe that fate has brought us here, and we should be together, babe. But we're not. And I play enough, but I'm dreaming of you. And I'll keep my cool, but I'm feeling. I try to say goodbye and I choke. Try to walk away and I stumble. Though I try to hide it, it's clear. My world crumbles when you are not there. Goodbye and I choke. Try to walk away and I stumble. Though I try to hide it, it's clear. My world crumbles when you are not there. I may appear to be free, but I'm just a prisoner of your love. And I may seem alright and smile when you leave, but my smiles are just a front, just a front. Hey, and I play it off, but I'm dreaming of you. And I keep my cool, but I'm feeling. I try to say goodbye and I choke. Try to walk away and I stumble. Though I try to hide it, it's clear. My world crumbles when you are not there. Goodbye and I choke. Try to walk away and I stumble. Though I try to hide it, it's clear. My world crumbles when you are not there. Here is my confession. May I be your possession. Boy, I need your touch, your love kisses and such. With all my might I try, but this I can't deny. Yeah. And I play it off, but I'm dreaming of you, babe. And I'll keep my cool, but I'm feeling. Goodbye and I choke. Yeah. Hide it, it's clear. My world crumbles when you are not there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I hope I don't sound too loud, because you know what? When you do like singing, when you sing raw on the phone, when you sing raw on the phone, on the mobile phone without microphone or any, like, you know, you just sing like raw like this. Sometimes it tends to be so loud and it's like it hurts the ears.
Believe cheese.
Thank you. Yeah, so Pin, it's supposed to be just ano Pin, di ba test naman ni Pin? Yo. There you go. Chili Stokes says, oh yeah, it's supposed to be just test. Yahoo, Macy Gray. Yes, it's Macy Gray. Is my favorite song, Macy Gray. Yes, my favorite, one of my favorite song of Macy Gray. Why, why makalupig? Aya Tots Katuday, mega love shout out. Yan, may jacket ka na Aya Tots. Jocelyn Cardo, salamat Inday. Nag-concert na ang test live. Yeah, you are right. Nag-concert na ang nag-test live. Nag-concert ang test live yan. Dinot kayo ang tao. Ay, kaya nga nag-ano ko palayo ako. Yan, okay. Wow, you are special. Oh, you're special. You're Dodong Machado said, you're special.
That's not nice.
What are you? You special child?
No!
That's just a joke. Yeah, sorry, I have to make a little adjustments. Yeah. Okay, I guess nahimo naman yung kanta. I thought I was just gonna like kanang talk lang ba kasi I want to see if I could like do at least 30 minutes of video without getting CPR. Kasi lahat ng videos ko ano siya, lahat ng videos ko
Sa mama.
CPR. I think 25% of my entire kanang contents
Ay,
on
there's
my
no
YouTube
thumbs
is
down.
CPR. Yes, I know, Pen. Makuha ka sa tingin, Pen. Kailangan isang tingin ka lang, Pen, ha? Makinig ka kay Mami. Yan. Huwag masyadong ano, Pen. Yung maganda siya pag ano yung ano siya, yung ang tawag yung parang black ang ano yung gilid niya. Kalimut ko. Basta assignment na lang yun, ha? Maganda siya kasi naggamit ako ng phone kaya naka-portrait siya. And of course, ang iyahang gilid-gilid niya is black.
So do you
Ayan.
like going live on your phone, mama?
Yeah, I do. But
Kind of hard?
it's kind of hard because it's kind of hard. Ayan.
What do you have to do? You have to just set everything up.
I can even connect this one to my mixer. I'm gonna have to buy special stuff so I can put this thing to my mixer. But I am happy with my can you grab that one, Pen? My camera pen. Yeah, so I'm actually when I'm on my laptop, I'm using kanang kuan point and shoot camera. I'm using Sony ZVI. Yan. So this is what I'm using as my webcam.
Well, you should go to normal and
Yan.
relax.
Maganda kasi siya. Maganda siya sa ano. Wala naman siya mga effects kasi pagka sa ano siya sa laptop. Kaya kailangan ko ng maraming ilaw. Kasi yung aking mga eye bags dyan, baka makita ng mga kigwa. Yan.
Mommy, remember, I'm break my heart.
Oh, you wanna sing that one?
Oh,
Oh, it's not easy song.
it is easy.
Oh,
What are
it's
you
easy
talking
daw and break my
about?
heart. Hello, Dai. Headphones, Harley. Dai, ano taro? Unplug. Unplug daw. Mag-test ra ko sa ano, gitest na ko ang mobile na ko nga live feature nga na-unlock na for kanakuan sa pagkuan ba. Baw na ka, no. Sininot din siya kay na siya yung mga effects. Pasensya na mo ha. Kay ihas kay ko ani first time. What was that? Huh?
Hmm?
I think the Adele song is nice.
What's that?
When we were young.
When
Huh?
we were young?
When we were young.
Okay.
Right, Ben?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You wanna show yourself to them? Ano, pwede kayo maklaro akong agtang, taas kaya akong agtang na. Ay, ang agtang! Kumusta naman ang mga agtang? When? Ano sa metong kantahon, Divons? When money grows on trees. Ay, kana na lang kay para dili kay baw si Pen Pen.
When we were young?
Para di kay baw si Pen Pen.
I know of when we were young.
No, that song When by what do you call that? Kadot lang mga bay ha, kay nagloading akong burn. Shania Twain. Yan. Let's do this. Mega love shout out sa aming 13 million viewers dyan. It's our first time to do this unplugged thing. So right now there is an ads going on my TV. Ruby Lovitos. Ayan, umpisa na yun ang song. Salamat po sa pa-view, Ruby Lovitos, ma'am. Bisa na ako sa ospital, check up. Sige nga po kung tanaw ni mo, dam, lingaw, kaayo ko ninyo magina, kanindot. Ay, walay lyrics. Dili ko kasago. I cannot memorize this one. I'm so sorry. You know this song? What's your
No.
face, Ben? Be a little more optimistic, but I don't see that happening anytime soon. I don't mean to sound so pessimistic, but I don't think that cow really jump over the moon. When will we wake up?
When will I?
Why did we break up? When will we make up? When money grows on trees, people live in peace. Everyone agrees. When happiness is free. You know that song? No? In town, oy, nagunsama ka sa ospital, Inday. Hindi naman ko na siya kabawaan eh. What song? What song? Dali. Ha? Kani? If I Got You? My Immortal?
What?
Ha?
Can I sing that?
Ha, tawara. When we were young.
Can I?
Ha? Did you say something?
Yeah, I want to sing.
When we were young. Karaoke. Yan. Meron naman palang ano to. I think your dad is home now.
He's not here.
Huh? This one, you know this song?
Yeah.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Penelope. Penelope Rocks Unplug. Taro nga lagi mong naong.
Everybody loves the things you do, and the way you talk, and the way you move.
So, nakotang eh.
Everybody here is watching you, 'cause you feel like home. It's like a dream come true. But if a chance you were here alone, I'd give a moment before I go.
Ayos, imting
Oh.
uy.
Ah!
Cause I've been by myself all night long, hoping you're someone I used to know. You look like a movie, you sound like a song. My goddess reminds me
of when we were young. And I photograph you in this light, in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad of getting old and getting restless. Yeah,
matok, madali.
it was like a song. Felt so scared to face my fears. Nobody told me
Hello, ACDC,
that you'll
ACDB,
be
ACDB.
here. Swallowed overseas. That
That's what you said.
when you left me.
Look like a movie. still sound like a song.
My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light, in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad of getting old and getting restless. You look like a movie, you sound like a soul.
When we were young, when we were young. Do you know this one, Love Story?
Love story, no?
I need you to clean up that place that you were using the blend. Okay, let's do a last song for them, okay?
This is our last song.
Pildi na ang mama, wala na ko ani.
Cold
Stone cold, you see me standing, but I'm
dying on the stone cold. Maybe if I don't cry, I won't feel any. Baby, God knows I try to feel happy for you. Know that I am, even if I can't understand. I'll take the pain, give me the truth. Me and my heart will make it through. Yeah, I'm happy for you. Stone cold, stone cold. It's so hard. I'm staring at my phone. Stone cold, stone cold. I was your amber, but now she's your shit. Go. Baby, God knows I try to feel happy for you. Know that I am, even if I can't understand pain. Give me the truth. Me and my heart will make it through.
Wala na, mo resign ako ani. When you sing bad, you need to close your ano because it's not good. You're gonna make my ano channel close. But here's my goodbye. I just told you. I'm gonna kick you out.
Know that I am, even if I can't understand. If happy's high, happy's high.
Mapakita. Buang mo ni batay. Ayan! So, mag-mega love shoutout tayo at si Penpen ay kick out ko sa aking live show kasi yes, I'm kicking her out because she's singing and she's just singing and doesn't care anymore kung ano na yung mga ano niya dyan. Yeah. Mabunalan dyan ka na ko ron, Pen.
Not gonna sing.
That was the ano dong. Next time na lang dong. Yeah. So I would like to say thank you, Vons Hardy. Thank you so much. Chili Stock, Oni. Dagang salamat sa imuhang pagstay. Wow, Prodo 30, 2022. Thank you so much. Pen Pen, get the floor. Pen Pen got the floor. Yes, she got the floor, but this is my channel, so she's kicked out. Sos Mariusip, unsa na lang ang tingog nako. Dali lang ga. Christine Kahal, lagi ko ka super chat. Lagi, diri mo ko ga live sa ano, diri ko nag-live sa Love, go over there, love, go over there. Kay ano ka kanang murag hyper ka, di ko ka storya nimo. Di ko ka storya, di ko ka kanta kay siya mo kanta tanan. May split pa siya nga, dili na ko mo yunan. Ayan. So Plutarch Pululawi, thank you so much. Ako si Kate, thank you guys for being here. Vons Harley, of course. ACDV, that was your name is kind of like very catchy. ACDV. I read it earlier as ACDC. ACDC. Bisaya kasi. Ayan, Prodo 30 2022 says, ako si Kate. Hello, ako si Kate. Yes, hello, good morning. Can you throw that one, please? Thank you. Ayan, kaya ayoko nagla-live dito sa living room kasi my kids, they're all around the place. Why is the super chat off? I don't know. I don't know how to operate this thing. It's my first time to actually run a live through my mobile phone. So that's why I put it as like black thing. This effects here because it actually blends in well with actual laptop or any other screen. So but I just went live. I just clicked. I said, okay, let me try. Maybe this thing works already. So I'm so excited. Would like to also take this opportunity because the premiere this morning was kind of really short, and I missed the the part where I'm supposed to be like really like thanking everybody like personally, like like what I'm doing right now. But I would like to take this opportunity to thank everybody. Christine Cal, thank you so much. It was because of her. Actually, I had this channel for 14 years, right? So I have this channel since 2006. And I just use this one for, to back up my files, my videos and stuff like that. Yeah, so I get distracted with Vons Harley saying that she can sleep while my ears are listening to Sweet Inday Mary TV. Thank you so much. That I'll take that as a very good compliment. So I'll try to sing softer next time when it's late at night. Ayan. So it was actually Christine Cal who has been dragging me to come over to YouTube and go live here instead of Facebook. But I do have this channel. Like I said, I had this for since 2006. So did I say 14 years? Yeah, so since 2006, only for the fact that I can back up my videos since I'm a video and photo hoarder. I love to keep my old photos. I like to take pictures. I like to take videos, and I like to keep it for myself, even though that it's slowing down my my laptop or my desktop or my phone whatsoever. But only lately that I actually got a great interest in working this channel, and I made a lot of good friends on YouTube for the past 2 or 3 months being here and going around different channels. So and it's really fun here. It's very fun. Actually, I know Facebook has always been my house, my home for my business, my personal stuff. But when I kind of integrate my Inday Mary to YouTube, actually I discovered that it's actually more fun over here. It's like a huge ocean with a lot of fishes. I mean, fish in a sense that like there's a lot of people here that actually are real people. Real people that I can be friends with. I'm a people person, and ever since the pandemic thing, whatever's going on, I know I'm not allowed to mention it, but ever since this has happened, I have stopped from going to places or making travels all around the place, all around the world. Literally, we always go to like overseas outside of the US to do our Valentis business. But ever since everything has happened, we have, well, I have been staying home. I've been work from home. Okay, I just go out for grocery and all that. Yeah. Yeah. So Vons Harley says, Dai Mary, thank you for your sharing your talents with us. Salamat kayo, Dai. Dagang salamat. Tulog na, Vons. Yeah, Vons Harley, go to sleep na so you can watch us later when you wake up, okay? Okay, Madam Eve, thank you so much. So I'm gonna try and do a cover for you, and especially for you. You know, the Bisaya song that you like. I'm gonna try and do that one. Also, I would like to. I appreciate ako si Kate and Plutarch Molenlabe for you know, like listening to my music. Although I know that sometimes my music are kind of worn out. They're kind of worn out, yeah. But let me go back to Kristen Cal. Kristen Cal is actually vying for silver button. So Kristen Cal is in the house right now. So if you guys need to check Kristen Cal. Kristen Cal is her channel is it's a cooking channel. She's also Bisaya like me, but she's based in Las Vegas. This lady is very, very simple, but you guys, I tell you, she owns a school in Vegas. She's a very successful businesswoman, but she is very down to earth, very supportive, and she's very simple. If you can go and visit her channel, if you like her channel, you know, why not hit like, subscribe, and smash that the bell button. Yeah, the bell button. I'm trying, you know. Ang hirap ang English. I'm okay. So the reason being, I'm talking in English right now because ako si Kate is here, and I am not sure if some of you guys actually do understand Tagalog or Bisaya. So I'm trying hard to speak in English. Well, yeah. So nothing is worn out. So ako si Kate says, in the Mary TV, nothing is worn out in songs or singing as long as you love doing it. We love listening to you. Stay humble and true. Yeah, and I have a translator here. Good. Okay, but your translator doesn't understand Bisaya. So, and I have a hard tongue when I speak in Tagalog because I'm Bisaya. Yeah. So, yeah, I mean that's true. Music is like timeless. It's also true that to me music is my passion. So when I sing it, I really like put my heart on every song. That I make sure that I would internalize that I'm that person. You know, like if it's a heartbreak, I'm the one who is heartbroken. You know, kaunting Cebuano at kaunting Ilonggo. Oh, so you're Ilonggo ka, good. Yeah, that's really good. That's really good. Yeah. So, and I've been singing since I was 16 years old, but I started joining like that was professionally. I started singing professionally when I was 16 years old. I first sing with a serenade band. It's a serenade group at 5-star hotels in Cebu, in Lapu-Lapu. So that was really amazing though, because my first few songs were Karen Carpenter's and songs of Teresa Teng. It's a Japanese song because there were a lot of Japanese guests in those hotels where we used to play. We used to go to Tambuli Beach Resort, Cebu Beach Club, Shangri-La Hotel, Tambuli, Blue Water in Maribago, you know, all the resorts, pretty much all the resorts, all the 5-star, 4, 3-star resorts in Lapu-Lapu. I have had unforgettable gigs. You know, my most unforgettable gig was I can't remember what year was that, but that was when there was a ASEAN summit. You know, when all the Asian president and ex-presidents and prime ministers gathered together. You know, they had this huge like summit. So we had like a series of gigs that I actually had the honor to sing for all those presidents, and they, oh my gosh, they all like, that was the gig of the forever of my life, of the lifetime to me, because you know, I get all the presidents to, you know, clap their hands after I sang. It was a Chinese song that I sang. It was Yan mi yan mi di tiao mi mi ni di shua lang shua rai shan shong shi. I can't remember the lyrics anymore, but it was a I don't know, Hokkien or, but it's a Chinese song. There you go. It's a Chinese song that I sang that, oh my gosh. And I get to dance with ex-president Fidel V. Ramos. Yeah, we danced at that time of the ASEAN Summit in Shangri-La. So it was really fun. I get to sing also. I get to serenade the Malaysian Prime Minister. And we got a lot of good tips. So that was... Yes, so Association of Southeast Asian Nation gig. Wow, yeah, it was really fun. Like our Mikey Arroyo. Mikey, was that the husband of Gloria Macapagal? Yeah, so he saw me holding the huge bass. It was acoustic bass guitar. It was really big. So I'm short. It was so big like this. I get to hold it and it's like playing. I don't know how to play it, but it's easy to just tap on some of the strings. And he saw me tapping on the strings and he's like, "Oh, so you're practicing for later?" I said, "Oh my gosh, that was the president's husband," and he was like, you know, it's really amazing. I mean, it's a very unforgettable experience for me to have done that. But yeah, I did a lot, and then we had a couple of shows for Pepsi, you know, stuff like that. So, but make the long story short, which is really long and not so short, not like my premiere. My premiere is super short. Yeah, so I was singing since I was 2000, since I was 16, and I stopped when I think when I went to get married. That was when I stopped, but I got married like around 28, when I was 28 years old. So, but right after that, I still had like 2 years of still doing some gigs. But that was really something that I really miss. So right now, I get the chance to do it again, although it's virtual, you know, but it's something that I always wanted to do for the past year, that I have been reflecting on my life, in something that I have always been doing, always loved to do, which is singing. So I wanted to leave something, you know, because we wouldn't know our life, you know. So it's something that I want to leave my kids. It's a legacy or something that, you know, the songs that I sing, my voice, I want to leave it. I want to leave a documentary or an evidence that, hey, that, you know, my kids can be proud of, like, hey, that's my mom. You know, that was my mom. I don't want to die yet, but, you know, I don't want to talk about it because I'm emotional. Yes. Ayan. Yeah. So, nakakawala ng problem at stress pag makanta si Inday Mary. Yeah, Inday Rusty, who would think na we will see you here in YT listening to your song? Oh, that's so sweet of you. That's really like, you're really nice. I mean, that's very, very nice. And I really appreciate your nice comments, you guys. I am not perfect, but I try to really like do my craft well, or do whatever I do well. Singing, editing, you know, whatnot. But sometimes my mouth becomes like, sometimes, you know, not literally my mouth, but, you know, my words are it goes way overboard. Like, you know, I joke a lot. So sometimes it's too bastos. So excuse me for that. But like I said, I am glad that I get the chance to share it here like I was like similar to what I was doing before, like singing for the guest, and you guys are my guest, and I am your entertainer. So I'm your virtual entertainer. Yes, and I would like to thank you guys for um, coming over to my live shows, even though my live show says it's just a test live through mobile phone, and you guys still stay here and stick here, and even though my audio is just so raw. Yes, so I'll let you guys go so you guys can uh, go to sleep or take a nap, or take a nap, don't take a nap. If you're in the Philippines, take a nap, go to sleep if you're in the US. And yeah. Okay. So ako si Kate, I am in a relationship with an ex-military personnel. Yep, I hear Basta's words. All good. Yeah. So another word got oh right. So take this. When I met my other half, I never wanted to teach him Bisaya words. Okay, so I don't want to, because I want to be able to talk freely, and although he's trying to guess, like when I'm mad, he knows I'm mad because of course my face shows it. So even though it's kind of hard to express your feelings when you're when you're talking, when you're mad, and you want to express your feelings in English. So in your mind you have to translate what you're thinking and what you want to tell him, what you want to tell your partner, like exactly how they leave their socks everywhere, how they the simple those kind of things, the typical things that our partners love to do that irritates us. I mean, that's kind of hard, and I didn't want to teach him those proper words. I did when I and some of the words that he learned, the first few words that he learned were Bastos words. Yeah, so some that most he learned the Bastos words. So that's all he knows. So, and then when I want to talk about Bisaya, he has learned some of the words. So what I did is I talk in gay lingo. So if I talk in gay lingo, wala na, he's lost. What happened?
You gonna say bye?
Not yet. Yes, I am. Yeah, so ako si Kes, she told me when we first date that if I am mad at her, to just cuss her out and ask, cuss her, to just cuss her out and say, mahal kita, mahal kita. She's very slick then. Very, very slick you are. So when my husband asked me what mahal na mahal kita means, I said, is mahal is love, right? And another term for mahal is expensive. So I said, mahal na mahal kita means very expensive love. There you go. So mahal kita is I love you. Mahal na mahal kita, that means it's a very expensive love. See, that's something. Something new. Mahal. Mautak today. Ayan, Plutarch is mautak. Absolutely. Ayan. Langga, Inday Rusty, you're in Texas? Which part of Texas you're at? Makauhaw pala tong magsalita lang, no, kaysa kakanta. Learning Tagalog makes my head spin. Well, if you're like my other half, let me just put it back to that color. Yan. So my other half, some of the words are similar to their language because he's Hispanic, so it's not kind of hard for him to actually understand me. It's just that some of my words and my body language makes him already get what I mean. See, he's very smart. And I'm very dumb. Ay, Pearland. Nandito ako sa sa may DFW. Malapit kami sa Rockwall. So, yung papunta ng, papunta na ng Commerce. Ayan. Jocelyn says, me learning English makes my nose bleed. Oh my God. You must have used a lot of table napkin to stop the bleeding, ha? Jocelyn Cardos. Ayan. So thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. I will be back siguro bukas. I owe something to my client. I need to do some editing stuff I haven't done yet. And after I'm done with that, I'm going to serenade you guys again. And hopefully, tomorrow I will be at Saivon Vlog. I will be guesting at Saivon Vlog live show. They're going to, she's actually dedicating that live show for her boyfriend. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of serenading, and they're gonna be some raffle stuff going on. So it's not like music and chats, So it's something that there's games over there. Yeah. So I think I know to cook more Filipino dish than the number of Tagalog words that I learned in 10 years. That's really sad because yeah, my husband gave up. I don't know what to add up to that one, but he gave up trying to learn my language because every time he starts learning some Bisaya, I start talking in gay lingo. So, and he's like, what does that mean? I said, it means similar to this one. And then he's like, oh, I thought that doesn't mean like that. Like I confuse him a lot. I confuse him a lot. OMG. Yeah. So I think before I go, I would like to say my review. I'd like to review this this mobile live thingy, right? It's good because it actually has effects that I didn't know of, which is why I bought my Sony ZV-1 because I thought that this is just going to be plain live if you go for the mobile, but actually it has plenty of filter. It has a lot of filter. Oh, there's the bubble thing. Oh yeah, so I will reserve that one when I have my sipon. The young Loveless loves to use that one. Oh, this one too, it's cool. This one looks like the old movie. Yan. So, maganda siya. Yeah, I love it. Huy! Hola! Yeah. The only thing is that I don't know how to turn the monetization on with this one. But I'll try to explore again. So I'd like to thank everyone. Thank you, Langga Inday Resty. Okay, butangan ako. Sorry, hindi ako nakabutang ng moderator sa iyo. Masyado ako na busy sa app. Yan. So, if you guys want to reach out to me when I'm, not on YouTube, I am Inday Mary TV on Facebook page. So if you want, you can message me there. I hang out a lot on Facebook. So I still hang out a lot on Facebook. So yep, that's my messenger, Facebook. So thank you so much. And I hope you guys had a great night. And I hope to see you around. And if you want to jam or something like that, I'll see you again on my music and chats, which is going to start next week. Okay, next week I am going to announce the date for music and chats. Yes. Thank you so much. Good night. Ako si Kate. Good night, Plutarch. Good night. Good night. Good night, Inday Jocelyn Cardos and Inday Rusty. I'm actually reading from down here so I can see from here. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, so how do I exit this thing?